guys, this is Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe my channel and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. And today I'm like really excited because you'll get to know me a little more and I'll be embarrassed in front of you अपने आप से खुद से deliberately. So yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so starting with the very basic, that is I have an OCD of cleaning things. I do not like dirty things. मुझे बहुत सफाई पसंद है, मेरे को पूरा टाइम सफाई अच्छी लगती है. I don't like one crease on my bed sheet. I hate that. I don't like any water का एक भी drop on my wash basin or on the floor. I hate everything. I am like really organized, very organized. I like things to be kept in the way I like them. So if I know that I've kept black top के नीचे white top, तो if my sister goes in my almirah and touches, I get to know. Point number 3. I love shopping for home decor and furniture, furnishing, curtains, bed sheets and all that stuff. Earlier I used to shop for myself, but now I have changed my interest and I like shopping for my home. Point number 4. I hate cooking. I hate cooking to the extent that I'll starve to death, but I'll not cook. So once what happened was my mama was not well and she said कि अनु मैगी नहीं खानी है, cook something else for yourself. और मुझे मैगी के अलावा और कुछ आता नहीं ढंग से बनाना, तो फिर what I did was I drank lots and lots of water, but I didn't cook for myself, and that is not a very good thing, and I'm not proud of myself, but I hate cooking to that level. Point number 5. I love exploring new things. So I have tried my hands on food blogging, like I'm still a food blogger. I am a professional makeup artist as well. I am a graphic designer. I have learned guitar. I have learned Bharatnatyam. I have learned piano. I basically love exploring new things. Next, my feet is like really long and very thin, so I don't get a lot of footwears for myself because मेरे पैर आगे जाता है क्योंकि वो लंबा होता है पैर, मतलब you got the point, right? वो मेरा पैर पतला और लंबा है, so I don't get a lot of footwears for my size for my feet. Next, I have a lot of belly fat, so I prefer wearing high-waisted jeans. I am wearing a high-waisted jeans right now. So this is from Zara and this hides all the belly fat right here. So yeah. I know all of these are like really random, but this is a 50 random things about me video. Okay, so next. I am good at addition, but I suck at subtraction. If someone asks me what is 25 minus 23, मेरे को एक सेकंड के लिए तो सोचना पड़ेगा. Oh, it's 2. I am that weak at subtraction, but I am good at addition. I love mushrooms. I can have mushrooms with almost everything. Bread, omelette, Maggi, roti, rice, with everything. I love mushrooms. I am 24 and I share my birthday with Bill Gates. That does not make me Bill Gates, but whatever. I love collecting perfumes. I love using perfumes. But the problem here is if I use a perfume, I will love it. But if someone else uses the same perfume, I will hate that person and the perfume because I hate fragrance from other people and I love fragrance from myself. Like, yeah, weird. I like things to be organized the way I want them to be. So for example, my sister got a carpet for her room, but I didn't like the carpet, so मैंने छुपा दिया उसको कहीं पे. मैंने नहीं, will not use it. So I am that sunky about things and organized because मुझे लगता है carpet से सब कुछ खराब हो जाएगा. तुम जाओगे, तुम फिसल सकते हो, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So I like things to be very organized and very minimalist. और मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता अपना crowded करना, अपने area को, अपने जगह को, अपने घर को. So yeah, this is a sweet thing. I have this cute little memory box in which I collect a lot of memories. So that memory box has a lot of things from my past. The first time I boarded a flight, the first time I went to a 5-star hotel, the first time my friend gifted me something or gifted or sent me food or sent me Theobroma ki pastry or all of that. I have this memory box. The first time someone gave me a rose flower. So yeah, I have all of that in that memory box. If I don't like something at my home, I make sure that thing is not available in my home anymore. So for example, मेरी मम्मी को आजकल ना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है हेल्दी खाना बनाना. So what she is doing these days is, तो मूली के जो पत्ते होते हैं, बेसिकली जो रेडिश के पत्ते होते हैं पीछे के, तो वो क्या करती है, उसकी भी सब्जी बना देती है. एंड आई हेट दैट सब्जी. आई डोंट लाइक द सब्जी एट ऑल. तो व्हाट आई डू इज जनरली आई प्लग दोज लीव्स, और नीचे ना काउस को खाना खिलाने वाले लोग आते हैं, एंड आई गिव दोज पत्ते टू वो लोग भैया वो, ताकि मुझे ना खाना पड़े और मेरे घर में वो चीज़ ना हो जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है. I have this weird talent of counting alphabets in a word. So for example, mobile phone, it is 11, rubber band, 10, tripod, 6, bed sheet, 8, curtain, 7, table, 5, Anushka, 7, Almira, 7, lights, 6. So whatever I saw, I just took that and I told you कि उस word में कितने letters हैं. So yeah, this is a weird talent. I love inventing my own games and unusual, stupid games, and I love playing them as well. So I don't know how to play pool. जो sticks से pool खेलते हैं. तो what I did was, I was in Urana with 3 other friends. So मुझे नहीं आता था वो stick से खेलना. So I invented my own game wherein we just had to throw the balls in that hole with our hands. That's it. That is my game. And ऐसी बहुत सारी games मैं invent करती रहती हूँ. Next, I am a very good storyteller, speaker. I can entertain people. I can speak all the time, but I am a very bad listener, like a really bad listener. मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ लोगों की बातें सुन के. That is not a very good thing. I was not well in my high school final exams, like both the classes 11th and 12th. 11th में I had my surgery. 12th में I had severe chicken pox, so I was not well. My interests keep on changing over time. So lockdown में I did gardening. I cooked also for my videos for my food blog channel. Please go and follow me there. It will mean so much to me. I did headstand. I learned yoga. I love gymnastics. I am not very good at it, but I tried. I did hula hooping as well. The hula hoop thing. So my interests keep on changing that way. I have this habit of poking my family members if they are not giving me attention that I want and I deserve. Basically my sister. So if she's doing something and she's not talking to me, I'll go and I'll poke her, I'll start poking her, I'll slap her, I'll do whatever to take all her attention. But I need the attention. I don't usually make good friends with girls. I don't know why. इतनी बिची बिची vibes आती है कभी-कभी मुझे कोई लड़कियों से, तो I don't make good friends with girls. But मेरे boys से बहुत जल्दी दोस्ती हो जाती है, बहुत ही जल्दी. I have this dust and very strong fragrance allergy wherein I sneeze a lot. So once I was in metro और एक अंकल ने बहुत ही गंदी परफ्यूम लगाई हुई थी, and I started sneezing and I was the center of attraction at that time. My eyesight, like I had power, my eyesight was minus 4.5, which is a lot. So I got my surgery done last year and now I have 0 power, matlab 20/20 normal adult vision. I love experimenting with my hair. I have done smoothing, keratin, a lot of coloring, and I'm still planning to color my hair pink, red, blue, purple, all of that. I love experimenting with my hair. I have this habit of collecting random things, जैसे कि coins. That is a very normal thing. I also collected Coca-Cola के caps. I don't know why. I collect chocolate के wrappers. Now that I'm telling you, I feel कितनी stupid हूँ मैं, but I collect all of that. I suck at time management. Like I really suck at it. So if someone is saying कि चलो meet me at 4, 3:55 पे मैं नहाने जाऊँगी. I suck at time management. I hate hot food. Even जो कि खाने hot ही होते हैं, वो भी गंदा लगता है. For example, soup. तो सूप को तो तुम गर्म ही पियोगे ना. आई डोंट लाइक ऑल ऑफ दैट. मुझे ठंडा खाना पसंद है. तो इफ समटाइम्स मम्मा हैज मेड गोभी की रोटी, तो उसको तो बटर के साथ तुम्हें गरम गरम खाना है. आई डोंट लाइक इट. तो व्हाट आई यूजुअली डू इज उसको फ्रीजर में रख देती हूँ एंड देन आई टेक इट आउट एंड देन आई ईट इट. सो यू मे जज मी नाउ, बट या मुझे गरम खाना नहीं पसंद. फूड वाली ही चीज़, आई डोंट लाइक नट्स और सीड्स इन माई फूड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल खीर में पिस्ता, या फिर मैंगो शेक में पिस्ता, काजू बादाम, whatever, हलवा में. आई डोंट लाइक एनीथिंग that comes in my crunchy, that comes in my mouth while I'm eating something. I need everything to be very soft. Very weird thing, like really weird. So if you give me something and I love that thing, I eat it. For example, pav bhaji. My mama made pav bhaji a few days ago and I loved it. I ate it. Mama said, "तेरे को पता है ना मैंने इसके अंदर और क्या डाला है?" I was like, "क्या डाला है?" I hate ghee. तो she said ghee. और I started crying like tears. ठीक है, रोना आ गया मुझे कि आपने घी कैसे खिला दिया मुझे. तो if you are giving me something, बस मुझे दे दो, मैं खा लूंगी. बट अगर मुझे आपने बता दिया उसके अंदर क्या है तो I'll not be able to eat that. Nobody can influence me easily. That is a good thing and a bad thing. I don't know, but I don't get influenced by people easily. Next. Very stupid. But I like making my birthday wish list before my birthday, and it tends to get fulfilled by my dear and near ones. I do not like things if they don't go according to my plan, according to my wish. Yeah, that's a bad thing. But मुझे नहीं पसंद अगर मेरे accordingly कुछ ना हो तो. All of the people who know me will agree to this. I am a very, very extrovert person. I can honestly talk to anyone, and I can make friends with anyone. I love making new friends. I love talking to new people. I was horrified by dogs. मुझे बहुत ही डर लगता था dogs से कुछ साल पहले तक. But then my badi mama, like my ताई जी, got a Labrador and his name is Dollar. I'll insert a picture somewhere. He's super cute, super cute. And when they got him, I loved him. Like he was this small and now he's this big. So he was this small and now I love dogs. I love playing with street dogs. I love giving them food. I love dogs now. So horror से याद आया, I hate watching horror movies to the extent where I cannot even bear the sound of that movie. मुझे कुछ हो जाता है वो आवाज़ सुन के, वो creepy आवाज़ें सुन के. I cannot even imagine. I cannot even talk about it. रात को 3 बजे I start shivering sometimes because I read this somewhere कि 3 बजे भूतों की पावर सबसे ज़्यादा होती है. And if some children are watching this video, I'm really sorry. ये सब सच नहीं है, but ये मेरे दिमाग में बैठी हुई है बातें. So yeah, I am horrified by bhoot and dogs. I was horrified by dogs, but now I'm very scared of bhoot. I am a 24-year-old girl, yes. So again, related to food, my ice cream flavors keep on changing. Ice cream and biscuit preferences keep on changing. So I remember last year tak I was crazy for vanilla ice cream, but now I really am into chocolate ice creams. And then for biscuits, I remember eating Marigold, 50-50, Crack Jack, and now I just want to have Dark Fantasy or Hide and Seek or Milk Bikkies. I love that. So if I love a particular dish from a place, I make sure that I try their whole menu. I don't know, this is something in my head कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक चीज़ अच्छी है ना तो probably सब चीज़ बहुत अच्छी होगी. So I did this thing with Goosebumps. There was this ice cream parlor in Rajouri Garden. I also got the menu अपने घर पे. I used to take everything जो भी मेरा आइस क्रीम हो जाती थी ट्राई करने के लिए. But then before finishing the menu, उनका पार्लर ही बंद हो गया. Food. I am a vegetarian these days. I left chicken for some reason and I was a hardcore non-vegetarian उससे पहले. Fact, I hate aloo and paneer. So you can't even imagine how I live my life now. very weird again. I don't know why I used to do this, but we were living on rent when a house was being reconstructed. So what I used to do was, there was this false ceiling, ठीक है, there was थोड़ी सी जगह false ceiling में, and I used to have homeopathic की दवाई उस time पे. तो whenever my bottle used to end, like the दवाई खत्म हो जाती थी उसके अंदर, what I used to do was, I used to throw that bottle in the false ceiling. Why? I don't know. मुझे बहुत मजा आता था शॉट मारने में, अंदर घुसाने में उसको उसके जगह में. Weird. So I do not like my friends abusing, smoking and biting their nails. I hate those people. Don't do it, please. It's not good. Very weird again. So if I'm talking on phone with you, I want complete silence, like pin drop silence. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा कि अगर आपके घर में शोर मच रहा होगा. In fact, even if you are changing your side, तब भी मुझे शोर आ जाएगा, and I don't like that, and I get irritated and I start shouting sometimes. I love eating rice with my hands, especially chicken and rice. I don't know, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि chicken और rice को हाथ से खाने में अलग ही मजा है. I am very needy in the sense, if you're with me, I want all your attention. So do not talk on the phone if you're with me. If you're talking with me over a call, then make sure that you're not scrolling through your Instagram, okay? I need all the attention. Next, I called a friend and I asked him कि सुनना मेरे बारे में कुछ बताना, random चीजें. He was like, you don't like wearing seat belts while driving or even when you're sitting next to me. So if I am busy, I will keep on doing my work. My mother will come, she'll serve me food, but I'll forget to have my food. मतलब मेरे मुंह के अंदर भी अगर मेरी मम्मा रोटी डाल जाएगी ना, वो मेरे मुंह के अंदर ही रहेगी. My mother has to come again, she has to slap me कि खा चबा. Then I have to bite and then I eat. So I forget, if I'm doing anything, I forget to eat. Sometimes, not always. Okay, next. मुझे ना ये पॉइंट पढ़ के हंसी आ रही है. I don't know why. I cannot control my laughter. I just can't control my laughter. There are some times when you have to control your laughter. You cannot laugh. But मुझे उस सिचुएशन में ना बल्कि जानबूझ के ज़्यादा हंसी आती है. I don't know why. ऐसे सबको लगता है कि इसी ने कुछ गड़बड़ किया, but मैंने नहीं किया. I just can't control my laughter. Weird. So I cannot share my footwear with someone else. Not even with my sister. I think a lot of you will relate to it. I do not like the sound of when you're writing on the board और आपका nail blackboard और आपका nail ऐसा screech ऐसे होए, आवाज आए blackboard से. I don't like that sound. मुझे अंदर से कुछ होने लग जाता है. Next, I'd rather spend my money on street dogs. I'll feed them, I'll get them clothes, but I'll not give them to beggars. This is the thing which I have to change in myself, and I am working on it, honestly. And if I have done this to you, please, I'm apologizing. I'm really sorry. I don't keep my feelings to myself. I am a very vocal person. Sometimes दूसरे बंदे को वो चीज़ बुरी भी लग जाती है, and that is not a good thing, and I'm really sorry about it. So if it's your birthday and someone says कि I don't like what you're wearing, obviously you will feel bad, and I'm really sorry if I did that to you. I am really sorry. Last point, I share each and everything with my mother, like everything. अपने बारे में I share 98% of the things. Obviously there are some things which I can't share with my mother, but अपने friends के बारे में तो I share everything. So sometimes that thing becomes awkward as well. So yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you got to know me, the real me actually. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and make me embarrassed. I won't mind. Subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon, comment down below, and do everything else to support me. Yeah, stay tuned for next video and stay safe. Bye.